Hey, it's Tom
And Mike.
from Take Time to Travel. This is the entrance to our apartment, and I'm going to show you around. I'm going to give you a tour of our apartment that we've been staying at in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And this is the doorway that leads in from the hall. As soon as you come inside, on the immediate right is the kitchen. It's a very small kitchen, but it's got everything we might need. So it's got granite countertops, a pretty large sink, and over here is a small tap that's filtered water, so we've been able to drink that and brush our teeth with that, no problems at all. And it's got a really fancy water sprayer. And then up above we've got a stainless steel microwave, a 4-burner gas stove. Back in the corner we've got the small appliances, toaster, coffee maker, and blender, and then a pretty good sized refrigerator. And then I'll just head around here. We've also got a nice coffee bar. It's pretty small, but a couple of bar stools there. And then continue on around this way. Mike, I'm gonna let you go in there first. Pretty small room. We've got the bathroom. It's also got granite countertop on the vanity. And then we've got a vessel sink, looks like made out of marble. Mirror up above, some shelving above the toilet. And then a glassed-in shower. It also looks like it's marble tile all the way around. And a pretty big rainfall shower head. And then we'll come back out here. So over on this side, we've got the flat screen TV hanging on the wall and a fancy looking table down below with some kind of trees that they have. It really is a nice touch. And then across from that, we have a nice big sofa, coffee table, and some artwork on the wall, which has really been nice. And then over this way is the sleeping area. We've got a king-size bed and nightstands on either side with a couple of lamps. And look at the size of that headboard up above. It looks like it's a live edge from a tree, and that must have been a huge tree. And across from that really comfortable bed is a wall of closets, so we've had lots of room to hang our stuff up. There's even an ironing board and iron inside there. And then over this way is this wall of glass that opens up, and I'm just gonna quickly try and open this up. It leads out onto the balcony. And out here we have a small table and a couple of chairs, and then this beautiful view looking over the condos and hotels and down into Banderas Bay. And we've been able to enjoy this apartment for 3 nights, and we got a really great price on it, we think, because it was sort of a last minute booking. So we paid $165 Canadian per night. And so now I'm going to show you around the building. We'll go down to the pool.
We loved how heading down this staircase to the sun deck was surrounded by lush tropical greenery.
This is the beautiful pool area. We haven't actually used it because we've been busy with our friends, and they have a really nice pool over at their place. So over on this side we've got some loungers and table and chairs, and then the decking all around is terracotta tiles, and very similar view to the one we have up in our apartment. And looking again down over on the condos and hotels around the area and down to Banderas Bay. And I don't know if you can hear, there's some dogs barking, and in the morning we often hear a rooster. There's the rooster now crowing.
We really enjoyed our stay here, especially the balcony with this incredible view. Now, if you'd like to see another Puerto Vallarta apartment tour, check out this video on the beachfront penthouse we stayed in during our last visit. And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.